Alright. Now let's actually go do some day 14. 1 second. Alright. The incredible pressure that this depth are starting to put a strain on your submarine. It has polymerization equipment. What? That would produce suitable materials. Did you catch my mention? When? Oh, there is a push for better error messages in Erlang. Sort of a recent... No, I didn't get that. I was in bed by that time. Don't know why I didn't get the ping on my phone on the immersion December 2020. Most of the standard lab doesn't use it. Okay. Oh, that is great, the thing they show here. Let's see if I can... No, the example that Nick showed was pretty good, where they actually tell you what argument is wrong, which is very nice. Barotrauma, basically. Let's see, the nearby volcanically active cave should even have the necessary input elements in sufficient quantities. The submarine manual contains instructions for finding the optimal polymer formula. Specifically, it offers a template and a list of pair insertion rules. You just need to work out what polymer would result after repeating the pair insertion a few times. So we get the templates, and then every substitution we can do. Well, let's... see. We need into the first line because it also gets stripped out in our proper inputs. So if I include that, it doesn't actually work. Damn it. There we go. Yeah, I don't know. I did that as well. Whatever. Let's see. Oop. There we go. So we got that. All right. One function that does support is element. So element foo bar should give you a fancy error method. Nice. All right. The following section differs the pair insertion rules. A rule like ABC should mean that when A and B are immediately adjacent, should be inserted between them. They all happen simultaneously. So starting with the polymer template in NCB, the first step simultaneously considers all three pair elements. Okay. Note that these pair overlap. The second element of one pair is the first element of the next pair. It's fair enough. Inserted elements are not considered to be part of a pair until the next step. So yeah, it means just get a buffer. Note that these pairs, okay, overlap. So the NCB, okay. The polymer grows quickly after step 5 of length 97, yada. Taking the quantity of the most common and the quantity of the least common. Okay, so just a count. Apply 10 steps of pair insertion to the polymer template and find the most and least common. What if you get it there? Okay, so just do the insertion a bunch of times. Okay. Template and rules. So basically what we do is I don't think there's like a string replace. Yeah. So in Python this would be, again, trivial, but maybe the string library has something like this for me. I I don't think it has something like a replace. I can build it fairly easily, but just wondering. Yeah, so there is a replace. But honestly, I think you might just better do this iteratively anyway. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do this iteratively. Let's see. I don't think so, because with replace you have to still make sure you can make a copy of the string and use replace, and I think that would have been faster because I wasn't sure if replace actually has. I think there is a version of replace where you can just give multiple blocks and it does it in ON instead of having to do it again for every single step. But yeah, what we want to do is we want to get the first two, so element 1 and element 2, and we do the rest. We want our rules. We want how many steps we still need to take, and we want to get an accumulator. And then what we can do is no, exactly right. I think in this case it's like in principle, in theory, it would be faster, but just going with your intuition is always the fastest way, as far as I know, in Advent of Code. Which means I also have a deadline for today. So if there's only one element left, we don't care about the rules. We don't care about the we don't care about we do care about the steps. So if it's 0, then we return accumulator. If it's not 0, then we start again, apply rules, accumulator, and then we do care about rules. Rules steps -1 and accumulate, and then just an empty list or an empty string. Let's do an empty string. Template rules steps. Oh. Comma empty. Now you need to be a full stop. What are you complaining about? Because you're not done. So the rules are not properly parsed yet. But I can do that fairly easily. I want to make them strings or atoms. Nah, let's do strings. That makes it a little bit easier. Which means I don't need to actually do anything there. I think I just do string. So we do apply. So we do like a final template equals rules to our template. You have an unfair advantage today as a chemist. Yeah, sure, my friend. No, make this a hash map. Make this a hash map for damn sure. That makes it, we'll make it, actually will that? Yeah, no, because we're doing it the other way around, so we should really make this a hash map. We can do that by getting pairs. Let's see. This is a little bit annoying because we want to do two operations at once. So first, I would like to do rule, comma. I need to split it apart in this. And now, but I can do like rules as a map. Rule map equals maps from lists, and then we do because now I can do parsed rules. Because now I can split it apart because it's a list now, so I can do what I call like compare, comma insertion. And now I can just do a rule map. So there we go. And then we want oh god, do we need to get like all unique numbers? How do I even like get that? Oh, this is annoying. Do not sorry for. There we go. Oh, Jesus. Wait, we don't care what actual value it is. It's the most common, least common. Yeah. So we don't actually care about this. There we go. And you're complaining because it's not undefined. Oh yeah, and 10 steps. Okay. So we reinsert the E elements, we get the rules, we do steps, because we're still in a step, and we do accumulator plus plus, because what we want to do is we want to do E1, and we don't want to actually add on E2, so we want to do maps get, E1. I think this will error out. Actually, can we do that? Want me to? But can I do this? Yes. So we don't have to surround these. From map with the default of just nothing. More than meets. Is there more than meets the eye? I think this can do it already. It's day 14, actually, my friend. Where? Line 9. Ah, but we do have to surround this. And it's alright. Everybody's on the floor. What? $78 plus $79. Yeah, that's very nice. Oh, let's just do this. So it must be this one? Oh, yeah, so we don't even have to do that to strings, right? Just none of this madness. What? Okay, now you're calling it a 78 plus CB. I hate this. So when you have a list, it's okay, but when you split it off, then it's bad. Do. Oh my god. So like a combine or something? Join? No. What the fucking hell is going on here? Erlang, it's really nice for something. Like, I really like just being able to do this for recursive shit, and we've had some other days that I really need with, like, pattern matching. Not this day. Was it this day? Stuff like this, right? You can implement a pretty neat version. Same for this, like the recursive. This doesn't work properly, but this will work in theory. So there's some really nice features you can do in Erlang, but the string management is just horrendous. Like what I have right here, I understand what's going on, but it's still not intuitive to work with. Because what's going on here is that it's complaining about string concatenation. Is there like a concat function to help me? Probably. Oh, there is. Take. Call characters to list to flatten the output. Because the issue is that single characters get converted into like just a number, but a list of them is a string is a list of those. Never forget you. So what if I do this? 78 of my life. Turn back. Why is it to 2? What the fuck? What? There's no default encoding? Oh no, there is. Okay. So, I really don't want to have to do this. Yeah. So, because it's telling me here plus CB, because we take away like the first 2, and we want to add on this N again, and this is only 8, but that works. So and then when it's an empty list, see, then it doesn't see it as a freaking. But why does this? Where does this happen exactly? Line 5, no, line 9, yeah. But wait a minute. If there's a single element in there, it should never even get here. Or is that here? No, because we obviously need this now. Now we get a different error. I so confused. $78 plus empty lists, which is the N, which. But when would we get that? Anything else I'd like to print? Yeah, give me the accumulator. I'm. Yeah, see, they become fucking. So I want to test this. I think it actually might just do it as normal numbers. Yeah, just 156. So this just does not work. So we have to do it like this, I'm pretty sure. Okay, now we get the N word. So we get NN, but the accumulator is empty. But that's makes sense because that's where all the way at the starts. And then in line 10, you can't? Oh, here's the error. Oh, I see. I want to do a quick IO formats just to like print out because I think we might be infinite looping. Kneeling and am I wasting my time your way? Yeah, I need to remake you as well. It's a lot of empty lists. Yeah, I think something's going wrong with the accumulator. Yeah, I think what's happening is that the list flatten isn't going right. I think I know what's going on. It's one of those languages that seems incredibly hard to read if you don't. Oh yes. Oh hell yes. But I already know what's going on here, and I want to test it because what I think is going on is it. How do I show this? Yeah. See, we need to add a call to lists flatten to remove empty shit. Feeling and I'm wasting my time because it like when this happens, it also adds an empty list, and that gets seen as a proper element instead of just something to ignore. No. NC, yeah, it looks good. Hey, I think we got it. Do do. No. No. There isn't any, and there never will be one either. I'm sorry. 2607. I don't think that's the right answer. Can you Yeah, it's something else. I already knew it was wrong. Yeah, these numbers aren't correct. I think I might be doing one step too many. 2608. Yeah, I think I'm doing one step too many. What? Okay, let's check what's going on here. No, because the highest number was like 2000, so it was wrong. So NBCC and BBBCB. Yeah, see, that's not right. Because BBB, CB, and then I'm missing 3 characters, HCB. So somewhere in my logic something's going wrong. No, it was like 2000. So this is strange. So at least we now know that after step 2 it's going wrong. So now, tell me I'm a sorry motherfucker with a full mustache. So why is it snipping off these last few bits? Where's the option to sing louder? I don't have one, strangely enough. This is so. The B here is at the end. Ah, look, it already goes wrong here. So the last character gets discarded. Ah, the last character never gets appended back on. So there we go. And now it seems to be correct. HCB. HC. Yeah, because here it also doesn't happen. I need to add that on as well. Here we go. There we go. So now it's correct. Together. I still think we had one step too many. Somehow, I don't know. Yeah, I think we're doing one step too many. Yeah, there we go, 1588. So we got it. Bye. Mustache. Yes. So one funny thing is, if you enter the wrong download input number here, it locks up and doesn't allow you to download the correct day. I'm not entirely sure why, but it just does. The funk. Stupid gets me drunk. God. I don't think I've ever had. I'm not entirely sure. 40 steps. Oh boy. I have a feeling this is gonna take a while. Oh boy. Okay, actually, let's do this sort of proper. Got the funk, got me stupid, gets me drunk. Yeah, you need to do it differently. What are you complaining about, though? Rules is unbound? Oh, yeah. One. My love. Can't know anything that you want, anything that you want. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna try this, and this is gonna take a while, I suspect. Actually, we can very quickly get some output here to see how long it's taking. And then while it's running, I can do some theory. Crafton. Okay. So you can get another degree. I have a feeling that how long is this? Yeah, that's a long string. I'm pretty sure we're gonna run out of memory. It's over 2 trillion. Yeah, it's not that bad. So I'm guessing that here we just keep track of pairs, and then you just count the pairs. Would be my guess, because it doesn't matter what the actual order is as long as you keep track of the pairs. And the only difficult bit is there that you need to sort of keep track of the overlap, but if you do that right once, it should be fine. So, so you start out with, very nice. Yeah, it's just a few rules. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get an out of memory error. I'm actually gonna take a look at that. How long's not even in the top so far? That's pathetic. So you do something like so. I think what the best way of doing this is, because what you'd basically do is you start out with these pairs. Yeah, so you'd pair everything up. So you'd like something like get pairs. You just do this at the start. So this is like templates. Um. This is sort of like what we did before already. And we have like an accumulator, which is a map. We'll make this a map. Oh fuck! Was there like an increment thingy that was like very nice? Yeah. There was like a map. Because for some reason this syntax is implemented, but the other one isn't. We'll go to maps, get, map, no, the same thingy. Map, comma, 0. +1. And my phone. Oh, that works? I forgot about that. Huh. Shut up. I forgot about that. Look around. And then we want to do it again. Yeah, part 1 is done. We're running part 2 very slowly while I'm actually making a proper implementation. Slow down. Exactly, right? Like, how long can it really take? I'm not sure what's more painful, what you did to Ava or your singing. Wow, my singing isn't that bad. On my mind. Damn it. Keep making these sloppy typos. So what we then want to do is we do the same iteration thingy, right? But now what we do is we take a pair, we check if it's something here, and then we reinsert the new pairs. Basically, we need to make sure to decrement it though. Can you add a Patreon tip for buying me singing lessons? It can be in the right pitch. No, it's nicer when you're off pitch. What I want is someone to continue me. Doesn't help that I only know the lyrics like half. So I want to get like apply rules again, but I mean I'll be remaking it anyway, so it's fine. Give up, don't you give up. So this will be like rules, as well as our pairs. That's kind of all we need, and steps. Shut up. Got a meeting in an hour, so we've got an hour to do this. Someone you can rely on. That I need is a singer. At least sing in Dutch that I don't know the song you're butchering. Sure, I can do that for you. Then we want the pairs. Mensen heel mooi life. Want sooner. I can feel sooner. Let's see, and then we kind of want to go over every pair. Yeah, so we want to. We horen thuis, achter het fornuis. Dat we soppen, dat we de toppen. We door, zijn jullie toch voor? Met taten boenen, met mijn schoenen. The only issue here is that I need to decrement a pair, but only if it's present. This is going to be a bit horrible, but I'll do it anyway. So we want to do it for every single pair. So we want to do like pairs, keys. Let's do this a bit sloppy first. Equals maps, keys, pairs. You can get the values as well. Actually, yeah, that'll work because now we only get the ones that are present. Yeah. So I don't know if every pair is present. I'm gonna assume so because in theory you could just recreate the entire thing, but you can't. I don't know if that's guaranteed. I assume it is. So, but I can't assume it is. So I'm just not gonna implement it that way. It's probably is true because then we could just fuck it. Why not just recreate the entire map? Months for als je lacht. It's going to be a little bit clunky because what we want to do is we want to split it apart. In the maling. Yeah. Because what we're going to do is going to do pairs. It's going to be like new pair is I'll probably do make a side function to just map it over this, which should be like folded into it, which should work. Because then we want to get any value we have for new pair in our pairs, and if it's not in there, we do 0 plus 1. And like new pairs equals let's see. That was a nice detour. Let's go back to the good music. I'm just assuming it's always in there, but I don't kind of want to do that. So we do maps find because what I don't want to do is get an empty one, map it, combine it, and then fuck it up. But I guess I can just casing that. It's a bit clunky, this logic, but it'll work. Hey, we're already at step 27, you know? We're getting there. Maps find which will be our pair. And if it's not equal to error, because what I can do is just do find. Because of course you can't do fucking statements here. So case find of what? What? The airlog thing is a bit weird. So if it's error, we just don't do anything. And what is the other one? Yeah, it's okay value, which is actually good because yeah, that's actually good. And then we have okay, comma value here. I'll think of what to do here. So let's do like apply pair, because that's kind of what I want to do here. Because what we will get is we have our current key, which is our pair. We have our value, which is going to be what we insert in between. And we'll, of course, have our pairs map. I want to be someone new. And this is going to be pairs again. And we want to do this for every single pair. So this will be like the reason why, because I want to have something to map onto everything. So this will be a certain key. So this will be like a key as well as the pairs. I know this will be the pair and our pair map. And then, if you don't stop saying, I'll post more AoC Reddit memes like this. It is kind of the same, yeah. I guess I could have realized that earlier, but the logic there was a bit more simple. because what I want to return here is the map. So if it's not there, just return pairs. Imply pair will be our pair, our value, as well as our pairs. All direction. I hate this so much. Yeah, this is missing this. Yeah, new pairs unbound. Because we're gonna have two new pairs here. Namely, so this is gonna be, you know, E1, E2. So pair 1 equals E1, value. And pair 2 equals value, E2. And then we gotta do this twice in a row. Because this will be like pair 1. So you find if it's in there. If it already is, increment if it's not there, if it's new, then you increment it itself. So you like, you know. And then we return this again, but instead of new pairs, this will be pair 2. So this is applying a single pair. Apply logic is when we do this, and it's unused because we find if it's there. Oh, I keep my alarm turned on. Looks like it's kind of good. I'm being told that I need to hurry the fuck up. Oh, it won't stop me. Ah, sorry. Oh, there we go. We did so good. So yeah, okay. So what we can do here is to apply logic. So we don't really care. Let me end it. No, because it's lists fold. Because of course this is only a pair, which is our LM, and we apply it to Akin, and this returns our map that we finished. Yeah, I know. Pseudo 14. Because we're gonna delete a bunch of stuff here. Hurts too. So yeah, rule map is this. Is feel. Ooh. So we want to delete you for sure. Get pairs. No, you were our logic before, which we don't want anymore as well. You always got. So we do want the rule map. It's a lie, girl. Parse rules. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's unused. Who cares? Wait, we're missing something here. Because value should come from you, from apply pairs. And you're, of course, being found in pairs. But you shouldn't be found in pairs, you should be found in rules. Ooh. In the eye, girl. Because you should be found in rules. Because if you're not in a rule, in the eye, girl. Really want to know. I think that's gonna take a while. Might just be me. Yeah. So part one, we're just gonna nuke because yeah, we just delete all of this basically. Because also getting the uniques is gonna be different. So. People like you. Oh, but the counting's gonna be an issue. Fuck. Oh, fuck me. How am I gonna do that? Oh, wait, I deleted get pairs? Oh, fuck, I deleted something I actually needed. Whoopsie. Shit. No, I can get it back. Here we go. Far, best of far. Whoopsie. Because the issue is going to be overlap. Because I've got all my pairs. But how do I actually... What? Anyway... Wait, I already had rules here. Whoopsie. Just never pass it on. Rule, map, comma, pairs, comma 10, just for to test. Psychopathic, dramatic. Oh yeah, you're, of course, this, so we need to... No, I know, weird, right? Yeah. I'm sorry, we're gonna call you there, my friend. So sorry. Yeah, that's what I thought. Copied one character too much. It's unused? Yeah, part one. Apply rules. What? Where? It is used. Oh, did I not save? There we go. Bah, bah, bah. Yeah, we need to do part two. Okay, undefined logic maps find. What? Hello, my life. Oh, duh. Where do you find it in, my friend? What are you looking for? It's pair find. Undefined. Something's not right here. And not you and me, world beneath the feet. Oh yeah, no, because the pairs are not getting created properly because value is like an actual string, and you have to take and ban your shoe. So how can I do that? Me and you. Yeah, okay, so that's. Okay. Is value a single? Yeah, it is. That's why we're getting this, because these are like characters and these are it's actually a string, because that's what's in the list, because our list is like, is this. Deconstructed in the function header. Yeah, but we get two of them. That's the issue. Or you mean like this? Yeah, I guess this would work, right? It's me and you. Yeah. Okay, so we have these pairs. Now how do we work with it? Because the issue now is that there is overlap between these. So how do we count this? I'm not so sure. It seems like there's always a starting pair which never gets actually replaced. Because you get replaced with SH, and then SS, I assume, isn't present. It is present. So SC, SN. Oh, that's an infinite loop. Ah, fuck. How do we count this proper? Okay, so is it like final pairs? So how do I count this? Because I think the pairs we get are correct. I can do this quickly by just checking it with 2 steps. Oh. Actually, let's do it with 1. Just see what's going on. I need to do a self-test, man. Fuck. Because this is going to be like N. Oh yeah, see, this is the issue as well. We never remove the pairs. Wondering. For the one to leave things right. Wondering if there's the shade of you. Bum bum bum. Get one. Darling, not my trust in you. Darling, you stay. Yeah, that's better. So now it's 0. So do we have an NC? We have an NC. NC. CN. Yeah. So what do I do? Do I like... How do I reconstruct this? Do I keep like an order? No. Because we know that the dual pairs are also there, like BB. Yeah. Do you need to construct like a shortest path or something through these? No, let's just count this now. So, I think it might not matter because you're doing... Lover boy. Okay, let's do like a count. So this will be like our pairs. You desire. Oh, we can just do split of every single. I don't think we can make a generator out of a map like that. You, me, lover boy. No, what we can do is this. Is like pair and count. And we have like an accumulator. Yeah, this will work as yeah. Just gonna take a quick look at the documentation for that. Here we go, iterator. But that's a next. Because I can just also do items. That'll work as well, I'm pretty sure. Do 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 do. Don't they have an items? Yeah, to list. That's the one. To lists. And there's a comma. There we go. Because to list kind of does that here, because it'll never be that big here. So I think for now, the iterator. You're right. The iterator is a better thing, but this is easier to just work with. Because what I then do is I split apart the pair, because we can do that as well, and we get like E1, comma E2. To find me company. And then we just do dance. Be happy. Boom. Don't worry, this will make sense in a second. This will be new. It'll be fine. No. Yeah, count thing. Man, I don't know why I'm making so many typos. Count is unused. Yeah, because it's plus count. There we go. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this is because I can just see what we get. Herc. Yeah, okay, that's thank you, very cool. I hate this. I'm not entirely sure which values these are now. There we go. Why is N 0? Oh yeah, because of this. Be fine. So we go here. Because B is in here twice, but it's counted thrice. C is counted 4 times, but it's in there twice. H is counted twice, but it's only in there once. Yeah. And n is counted twice, but it's in there twice. How do you do this? Because you can assume everything is over 2, because it will be in 2 pairs, except the first and last pairs. Do you need to, like, keep track of them separately? But those are only going to be off by... No, that doesn't matter, because those will actually be the most and the least. Oh, this is horrible. Heaven knows you're fast. Herc. 69. Oh, yeah. What? That's another. I'm sorry. That's better. But after 10 steps, that's not right. What? Can change that. Yes, I can. But the pairs in here are counted correctly. The... Are they? Oh, this is -9. That's not right. Huh? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How does it... Le parts. What? Yeah, so that's the issue I'm struggling a bit with. But here we already get -1, so that's not right. Why? Oh, because I know why. So -1. What? Because what's happening is we find, because NN is in the pairs list. It's just because NN is in the pairs lists at the starts, and then it still gets in there. So we do, we get all the keys, and then we apply logic. So we find it. We find the pair in there because it's in rules. Oh, of course, value is not going to be. No, this makes no sense. We need to do that here. And do like. I do need to do like when the value in pairs is actually 0. So I can do that like this. Okay, like. Can you do that in a guard? Because I think that it feels like something you can't do in a guard, but it might just be me. Because I need to do when. Oh yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, you can do it here, right? So I don't care about the actual value here. Yeah, something like this. When c equals 0. The helpless, selfless, one of a kind. But what do I do then? Because I want to return. I need to do like this, right? But I think this works. Search, that's too much time. Generation War. And pairs can just be pair. Can you though? I'm not so sure you can do this. No, because that's the assignment syntax. This is not supported yet. You have to do this. And you want to assign the result of this to C. Because this syntax isn't supported. The get syntax. Which is very frustrating. Yeah, this is not supported yet. And this would be a defined syntax, which I don't know if that's supported either. Yeah, thank you. Oh, I remember you. We're too young to make it out. Let's give him something to talk about. Okay. Coming on. I think it might. Ah, that's annoying. I think we just have to do this for now. I don't like it, but we're too young to make it out. Let's give them something to talk about. Go away. What? Okay, but first all this needs to be tabbed. One more. No, it needs to be like case quant of. Fuck, why do you keep doing that? Oh yeah, my bad. It's 0. Yeah, you're right. It's above 0. There we go. So what I'm thinking now is actually do divide by 2. For the favorite. You can do that by doing like maps, map. A for the fave. K, comma V. Let's give him something to talk about. Okay, got 20 minutes left. Let's do a quick U. Goodbye. So here comes the issue. I'm pretty sure this is correct. The issue now is, of course, how do we actually get the proper values? No, I don't think this is correct, actually. Step 4. Because that's what we have. What are you looking at? You're looking at Erlang, and we're trying to solve a problem in a smart way, but we're just missing the final step, which is a bit frustrating because we're super close. Because I think we get it right now. I wanna. You know what? I'm just gonna do this real quick. Just a sanity check. And now we can add in like BB, see how much our battleships occur. 8. Oh, I think I'm one step off. Because apply rules. It's a bit stupid, but it's like off by 1. Of Jupiter. Oh wait, no, this is like 1. What? Maybe I'm 1 off now. Yeah, something's not right here. Change for me. Because this should be it after 4 steps. Yeah. Oh, this is annoying. How do you do this proper? Because you need to somehow keep like the order correct. Mm-mm. Yeah, I don't know what I'm exactly doing wrong here. Or I know what I'm doing wrong, but I'm just curious how to fix it even. So let's just return accumulator for now. Nine for NB. Oh, is the count just off by one for everything? Because we subtract this from pairs, and then we add it on. Maps, new pair one, newer pairs. Ghastly hour. Pairs, pairs, pairs. Yeah, this is correct. Plus one. So let me test another one. Like HH. No, that is one. Yeah, that's the meeting we have in a second. 15 minutes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna solve this in time. But we got HH correct. So what's wrong here? Let's just do it with 2 steps. The city never sleeps on the night time, so why should I? So yeah, we count only. Okay, yes, something's completely wrong here. Although I think we might be off 1 step. Yeah. Amsterdam wise. Yeah, so we count BB1 here. We count BB none. I have no idea what you're doing. So the logic here is this. So we get all the pairs, which is just all the pairs in the template, right? So that will just return. But okay, what am I doing wrong here? Because I'm a bit unsure where the error lies. Oh, I think this is just this one actually. Yeah. My time, so why should I? But is there anything that occurs twice here? No. Okay, I want one more step then. Because I need to get something that's actually like properly wrong. It doesn't count overlaps? No, I think it does. Sleeps at night time, so why should I? Did I not? He never sleeps. No. Yeah, no, yeah, you're right. You're wrong. Sorry, you are very correct. All of my lights tape. Yeah, you're right. Look, because we do the split method. Fuck. So are we doing it correctly? Fuck. Don't one of it. One of it. This is non-overlapping. Yeah, this is shitty. Yeah, but I want overlapping matches, you piece of shite. I don't think I can do this very easily. Some old documentation feels like. Oh, to do that, you'd probably have to. Where's a sloppy? Because this is an old implementation that I wasn't sure about. How do I even do this? I mean, I know I can do it like just split off the first one. Okay, I've got only 10 minutes left, so there's no way we're making this in time. Yes, I know this isn't the right way to do it, but I don't care. I want to see if it starts with picket fences. You can do the like it's like a left or something. No, there's a way to do this. It's like a prefix. Here we go. But now I just want to return the first character. Hey there, Owen. You're right at the end of me being an absolute utter moron. Prefix, prefix, prefix. Here we go. Case, string, prefix. No, this is like I'm like trying to debug something, but I wasn't getting the right output because my counting thing doesn't do overlapping. So now I have to implement my own because it doesn't exist, and it's horrendous. So we do, what is it, prefix string pre. So we do merge these back together. We see if sub is a part of this. Oh fuck! Not this again. No match. No, because this is a list and this is a character. No match means that it's not found. We kind of do the same thing. Just keep it first rest. Oh, okay. Accumulator and otherwise we don't care what the string is, so it'll be fix of string. So, ugh, kill me. Does that even work? No. If oh yeah, that's it. That this time all things are. See you till. Fucking hell. Oh, look, I've got 5 minutes left and I'm not gonna. I don't even know which one we were counting now. This one? Hey! Impressive! The distance. Oh, Lord. Whoa, Lord. Can I, like... I want to see if I can quickly search through the string. I wanna be your best friend. Leave my girl. Yeah, so here I can do, like... I'm just gonna do this real quick and then, oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, not counts final pairs. Here we go. Okay, so this seems to be correct. Now we just need to find a way to extract the counts properly, and we're going to do that later. So this seems to be correct at least. I want to check it for the next one as well. So for the really big one, and this is like 4? Yeah. No, it's 5. Because it's weirdly offset. What? Is it 1 step? No. We're getting errors again. Yeah, we're getting errors again. So something goes wrong here. Yeah, this is all right. Good. Because 1, 2. Actually, I can just do it like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. And so something goes wrong here. All right. Well, we've got some way to check the bug. So, gonna call it here. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna have to go really quick. I'll try to figure out what I'm doing wrong later. Cheers.